Oh, hi there. Hi YouTube. Sorry, I'm just walking on and on and on. Okay, so I have some pretty good singing bars, and it goes on and on and on, and it goes on and on and on. Yeah. Okay, just singing up. I throw my hands up in the air, sometimes singing yeah, but this is not what you're looking at. You're hoping for some Sun and Moon Pokemon update and Pokemon planning. I'm gonna plan my team. So yeah, I hope you saw my chess videos. I should be getting into Minecraft by now, but I'm just so excited for Pokemon Sun and Moon because 2 days, I promise after those 2 days, the excitement will start fading down and getting back up when I get the game Pokemon Sun and Moon constantly. You'll see it all the time, so I'm sorry, Minecraft lovers, and I know we're about equal as the best games. But right now, I'm just going to be doing some Cosmico. Some stuff about Cosmico. It is the pre-evolution. It is 100% the full evolution. You can see Zagrate 10%, 100%, 50% squishy. Pokemon, just let me tell you something. Pokemon Sun and Moon is not like any game we've had in the past. Pokemon Sun and Moon has like all sorts of things that like you didn't know about. Like number one, like think about that. Who was that guy? You know, champion. There's this new champion dude. Champion. I don't think we've ever had champion defense title, and I think that's pretty cool to have a champion defend, like to protect your place as the champion. Cause you're not really the champion in the games. I don't think really. You're more of you're more of somebody in the Hall of Fame. You know, number 9, like you know, you're more, and Cosmico is just, it's definitely the pre-evolution. Confirmed. This other and this new Pokemon, it kind of looks like Cosmico. I think it's evolution. It actually, you get it at like the beginning, and it actually has a Pokeball. So Cosmico evolves into this Pokemon. It evolves into Lunala and Sliguia. I don't really know its name. So, sorry, I'm just watching this guy open this. I shouldn't be doing 2 things at once. I have to shoot something and stick with it. Okay, so it's just it's 100%. You can see people doing it on video game. You could see in the corner of the GX. It's completely true. It's completely 100% true. And something else. Okay, so now that I'm done talking about this, I can delete this, and move on to the Pokemon team panel. Check it out. You could do all sorts of different things. And look at this, folks. Look at this. It looks so awesome. Just look at this. What are you doing? You're filming. The film thing. That's it. That's all you're doing. film in the film thing. Okay. So we up. Okay, now you can see. So I'm going to do Generation Lola first. You gotta help me. Tell me your teams. You gotta help me. Who should I choose? I'm gonna just, to make this choice easier, kick out you. I'm sorry, I'm kicking out you. All of you. Primo. Okay, I like these two kind of. I kind of don't like you. I really only really like you. You can even, like, you see, I just clicked question mark. If you can see that. Oh, there we go. I clicked question mark. And just random Pokemon from all sorts of generations. See, it says plus, 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 and you can have as many Pokemon stars as you want. Oh, and I'll just go to home. And then I roll back to it. So I can't choose between this cute Rowlet or this cute Litten. Because I don't really like this one, but I love this dude. This one I love probably as much as this one too, and I like that pretty much. Not actually, I don't really like the cat thing, but I like it. These two are tied. This one I hate. This one I love. I hate this one as much. Well, okay, this one's so-so. This one's more than so-so. It's pretty good. This one's awesome. This one's just super awesome. He's just like, have you seen the new Z moves? Dead moves? You've got to see those. Like I love this arrow thing. I don't really like this bubble thing for the C-Marina, I think, Primarina is pretty cool, but Inferos is just literally the best. Sorry about that. Why do I have to always Kalos? I have to just go to Kalos and then to Alola. I'm sorry that I clicked random. I think I'm gonna. I actually, for a while I was going for the water, so I'm gonna cut out my water. I love this one. So I think. You don't need to see anything now, that's just unknown. But I think I'll go with you. You should see me. Inkura. I think I'll go for Inkura. I love you, but I think I'll go for Inkura. Okay, so Inkura, I'll just go for Inkura. So that's the type Fire. I can't believe it's Fire Doug. I think I'll choose you for my next Pokemon. Maybe I should choose you. Because I did all these 4 Tapus. Actually, maybe I won't choose you. I can't believe you. Do you like need to get the Tapus? Because then I'm gonna lay it out. I think I'll go for Greninja. Jamaica-Cuckoo. Salagua. I have to go for an Ultra Beast. That's my favorite. And then where are this thing is so updated. I don't get how they update this thing so fast. And how do they know which Pokemon are going to be in it? Where are you? I guess it doesn't have a god. I can't really, maybe I'll have a Guardian, but if it's not here, I can go for something different. You're pretty cool. So, this is my Pokemon team. Inkura, Ash Greninja, Kimokoku, Slugillo. I'll just put this up so you can see it now. Ash Greninja, and Ultra Beast, and okay. So I think that would be my team. So I have already copied a team, but I'll copy this one. So start. Darn it. Done. Have I already got a Pokeball player? Okay, so this was my original team that I thought I'd go with. I have Inkle. And some of these Pokemon I can't even believe they have on here. Inkle, Sizzla, Salveria, Tronatora, Celeglua, because I'm getting Pokemon started, and Moshadow. Like, Moshadow isn't even final 100% yet. How'd they know? Just because of like some spoilers? Leaks? Well, I know 100% of the leaks have been true, but they even have this. This is just for generations. You can choose places and then generation. So this is just for Pokemon from Alola. So I've kicked out other Pokemon to make it easier to see stuff. This Pokemon is pretty cool. It's this Pokemon, but darn it. Where is that? Oh, there's Tapu Koko. And add in like this guy. I don't think that even is final yet. And this guy, like this was a rumor months ago. And it's 2 days. I don't think it's figured to add anything in 2 days. Look at this. We have this. And this. They're not even final yet. Maybe I'll look like that. Or maybe I'll add. I don't know. Yeah, I should no. We're gonna go yeah, maybe I'll just copy this just in case. I command seed all of these pretty much. Okay, next I should go into Kalos. So all Pokemon from Kalos. And then generation. Just Vidget. Kick it out. And even for not from this generation. To start off, I just need. This time I'm gonna do my actual team maybe. But then I would need to get into other things. My actual team that I have. So Greninja is the probably hardest to see. So and then Pyro next to it. Sorry. And then Go-Go. And Exordius, Zagrade, I know Pokemon. I think I'll go for Diancie or Koopa or Volcanion. Volcanion's gonna be hard to get. Maybe I should go for, okay, maybe I can't have Pie. No, I'll just go. I have Helios, give the actual game here, but XY, but I'm not gonna include that. Wait, Barkadal is just in the Kalos, really? Okay, I think I'll go for Hoopa. I'll copy that and then get rid of you. Copy that. And then get rid of you and move this back because I forgot to progress. And then get rid of you and go here. I forgot to bookmark you. And things I want to remember. long is this video? Oh, 50 minutes. Okay, so guys, I've got to stop. I'm sorry. I'll do some more because I'm already past the limit. I think the limit is at 15 minutes. So I'll go on to just stop now. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll finish this all later on, but we should see you next time. And I'll check out your channels. Like and subscribe.